Production Manager Smith wants to view the utilization of his machines and key production figures in real time without having to laboriously and manually collect the data. During his tours of the production facility, Mr. Smith can never be sure whether his machines are working at optimum capacity. Appearances can be deceiving. His decisions to expand or downsize the machinery or to replace machines are often based on his gut feeling. The first sensible step towards a digitalized production environment is to record and visualize the machine data. This creates maximum transparency and allows decisions to be made on a solid data basis. With the Hummingbird Machine Data Acquisition module, the machine data is automatically recorded and visualized. The machines are connected either via standard interfaces or via the Hummingbird IoT module. Hummingbird IoT displays the collected data in key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, such as the efficiency of a machine, the current capacity utilization, or the available capacity. If faults occur, the system notifies Mr. Smith or an on-call service immediately. The KPIs are continuously monitored and displayed online in a clear dashboard. This means that Mr. Smith always has an overview of all machine data, can plan production orders optimally, react immediately to faults, and reliably analyze machine operation. Thanks to the modular Hummingbird system, getting started with digitalized production is child's play for Mr. Smith. After machine data acquisition, other modules such as planning and control, tool logistics, or the CAM-CNC connection can be seamlessly integrated into the Hummingbird system. This gives Mr. Smith complete transparency over his production step by step.